Today I will be talking about my hardware inventory, which is the laser cutter. It's a laser system are being used at more and more in school and in colleges. Um, they laser cutter is being used in agricultural technology class here at Piedmont High School, grades 9 through 12. In many special areas such as modeling, making, industrial design, or fashion design, this digital tool is already part of the standard workshop equipment. Here, students become acquainted with the most important tools of digital manufacturing, preparing them for professional life. They use laser systems for prototype construction and test setups and research and art projects. So if you look at the pictures that I have taken, here's a picture of a student messing around with a laser cutter. Here's another picture that was taken of a student using a just a laptop. That is also considered a hardware inventory. She is programming her computer to get ready to cut out a design on the laser tool, on the laser cutter. The process is similar. You have a printer. The workhead moves on the x-axis from left to right, back, left to right, and back. Graphics are traced line by line. Graphics are rasterized bitmaps. Settings are DPI, which is considered dots per inch, and PPI, pulse per inch. Very fast x-axis, slow y-axis movement. The process, which is called the vector cutting, works head moves along a certain path. Vector. Cutting paths are vector lines. Arcs are bizarre curves. Vectors are traced one after the other, controlled via speed, laser power, and frequency. Slower x-axis and y-axis movement, depending on the set of the depending on the set laser power. The material is either cut and through or scratched out. Here's an example of a project that they had did where they had cut out for an airplane. There are free laser templates for available for colleges and schools to use. One question that might be asked is which materials can and cannot be used to engrave with the laser machine. It tells you there are different types that you should not engrave with the laser machine during processing. Substances are released in the form of gases or dust, which endangers the users and the function of the machines. This concludes my tutorial on how to use a laser cutter in the school system.